This is tricky. First, why be in such a relationship? The benefit part is fun and games until someone gets attached or, in your case, jealous. I'm not judging. I have been in such a relationship, in fact one just ended. The only outcome in a friends with benefit relationship is jealousy and/or anger. If you wanted her to yourself, why not commit yourself in a normal relationship? If you don't, then it's open season for all involved. Second, if you are having fun with her and she goes to a bar and leaves with someone else to have fun with, where does that stop? You are not with her 24/7, so she could in fact do more than you know of. Just saying. This goes for you and for her. There isn't any reason why you or her can't do what you do. You're not in a relationship, so you or her have no right to be mad, jealous, etc. Again, I'm not judging. Everyone thinks their situation is different and you fan both do what you do with no hard feelings. Wrong. I was just the same and now I'm living with that hurt feelings. I'm going to say the milk and the cow saying, but instead I'll say this. If you want good oranges all the time, don't just pick one, plant the whole tree. If you want her for yourself, then you have to commit.